Hello once again, dudes, this is Mil from the Code Conspiracy and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're going to be writing a little simple JavaScript and I'm going to be explaining a little bit more. Now in the last tutorial I told you I would be building a little template, which is actually this one. And that is the one we're going to be using in a lot of the episodes. I might be adding new things for it, but as far as goes, just go ahead and make this template. And let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is that whenever you have your two script tags, whenever you're typing something in between, it is a script. Now a script is different from a code, or not really, but a script is something it executes maybe one time, or if you don't make a loop, so it would continue doing it, kinda. But if we go ahead and make a simple function, go ahead and type in document write. Now what this function does is that it goes ahead and tells JavaScript to write something on the screen. Now it can be a lot of things. It doesn't need to be text. It can be commands that you execute as well. But if you add these two signs here, in between you type in text. So if you type in hello world, right? That's different. That's text because you added these two parentheses. So if we go ahead and see here, you can see hello world. And that is because we told it to use text because we added these two. There's some other ways of using this function as well. You can call JavaScript commands and you can call HTML commands. And you always and often JavaScript you end it with this semicolon, which I will be telling you when you do and when you're not doing that. But another example is that we go ahead and type in here this site was last modified on. Okay, so now we go ahead and make another document write. Oh, sorry. Now in this one we're going to execute a JavaScript command and not a piece of text. Now this command is called document dot last modified. Very important to have a big M. That's generally important in programming, to have, you know, the big letters and the small letters direct places. Now what this does is that it tells JavaScript to document write. That means it prints something, right? And then it says, right, so when was the document last modified? Which means if we go ahead and save this now and run it in the Internet Explorer, here you can see the site was last modified on, then it comes up with the date and the time. So that's pretty sweet actually. So another thing you can do with this is that you can go ahead here and execute a HTML command. So if you type in document.write here, then you can execute an HTML command. And I'm gonna use the bold one here, end it, and I'm gonna go ahead down here and do a document write here, and then end it. Alright, so what happens now if we go ahead and run this in the Internet Explorer? As you can see, the text is bold. So the way you execute HTML commands is that you type them in like texts. So this is how you execute HTML commands and execute JavaScript commands and regular text. So thanks for watching, guys, and the next tutorial we'll get started with a little bit more advanced stuff and having a little bit more stuff to learn. So thanks for watching, guys, hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.